Hey guys, have you ever put pictures on your refrigerator with tape and then found that when you take the pictures off, there's still the sticky tape left and it's making your refrigerator look disgusting? So I did a video and I talked to you about a pure citrus that I use to remove tape off a wooden floor. So then I thought I would give it a try on tape on the refrigerator that doesn't come off. It looks pretty nasty. Well, watch this. Get all this excess off here. Look at that. How cool is this? Take it right off. Right? And this is chrome. Pretty neat, right? I already did the whole top. As you can see, I did the top of it. Look at that. All I have to do now is just use a chrome cleaner and shine that baby right up. There you go, that's my tip for today.